Choosing the right washing machine can transform laundry from a routine chore into a seamless part of everyday life. This carefully selected lineup showcases washers built to deliver dependable performance, intelligent features, and space-saving versatility. From rugged, heavy-duty top-load machines designed to power through tough stains, to smart washers that automatically tailor each cycle, these models meet the needs of modern households of every size. Portable and compact options offer flexibility where space is limited, while premium designs focus on fabric care and long-term durability. No matter your lifestyle or living space, these washers are engineered to make laundry easier, more efficient, and consistently reliable. All product links are in the description, and for more product recommendation, visit thedetailedguide.com. Number 8. Midea Portable Washing Machine 0.9 cubic feet with 6 cycles. The Midea 0.9 cubic foot portable washing machine delivers dependable cleaning performance in a compact, space-saving design. Ideal for apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, and small households, this washer features 6 wash cycles that provide customized care for delicates, heavy loads, quick washes, and everyday laundry. The durable stainless steel drum helps protect fabrics while ensuring long-term reliability. Its compact footprint allows it to fit easily into tight spaces, while the transparent lid lets users monitor the wash process. Designed for convenience, the washer connects directly to standard faucets for fast setup and easy operation. Intuitive controls make cycle selection simple, even for first-time users. Energy-efficient operation helps reduce water and electricity usage without sacrificing performance. The Midea portable washer is a practical solution for those seeking efficiency, flexibility, and reliable cleaning in a compact appliance. Number 7. Nictemaw Portable Washing Machine 20 pounds with drain pump. The Nictemaw portable washing machine combines strong cleaning power with a portable, user-friendly design. With a generous 20-pound capacity, it is well suited for apartments, dorms, RVs, and other small living spaces. Multiple wash programs allow users to clean a variety of fabrics, from lightly soiled clothing to heavier garments. The built-in drain pump ensures efficient water removal, simplifying setup and eliminating manual draining. Its lightweight construction allows for easy movement and convenient storage when not in use. Designed for quiet operation, this washer is ideal for shared or compact environments. Energy-efficient water usage helps lower utility costs while still delivering effective cleaning results. The Nictemaw portable washer offers a practical solution for those seeking efficiency, flexibility, and reliable cleaning in a compact appliance. Number 6. GE Unitized Spacemaker Washer and Dryer. The GE Unitized Spacemaker Washer and Dryer is designed to maximize efficiency in limited spaces. This stacked laundry unit features a 3.8 cubic foot top-load washer with a durable stainless steel basket and a 5.9 cubic foot electric dryer above it. The washer provides reliable cleaning with multiple wash cycles to accommodate everyday laundry needs, while the dryer delivers consistent and effective drying performance. Its vertical configuration saves valuable floor space, making it ideal for apartments, condos, and small homes. Simple, intuitive controls allow for easy operation, and the classic white finish blends seamlessly into a variety of interiors. Built with GE's trusted craftsmanship, this unitized washer and dryer offers dependable performance, convenience, and space efficiency in one compact laundry solution. Number 5. GE Profile Washer with Smarter Wash Technology. The GE Profile Washer with Smarter Wash Technology offers intelligent, adaptive cleaning designed for modern households. Using advanced sensors, the washer automatically adjusts water levels, wash action, and cycle time based on load size and soil level. This ensures thorough cleaning while protecting fabrics and improving efficiency. Smart connectivity allows users to monitor and control cycles remotely, receive notifications, and download specialty wash programs through a smartphone app. The spacious drum easily handles large loads, making it ideal for families. Quiet operation enhances everyday comfort, while sleek digital controls provide a modern, user-friendly experience. Number 4. Speed Queen Top-Load TR7 Washing Machine. The Speed Queen Top-Load TR7 washing machine is engineered for premium performance and long-term durability. Built with commercial-grade components, it is designed to withstand frequent use while delivering consistent, reliable results. The TR7 uses advanced wash technology to gently clean clothes while minimizing fabric wear, making it ideal for preserving garment quality. Customizable settings allow users to control water levels, agitation strength, and cycle duration to match specific laundry needs. Advanced balancing technology ensures smooth, quiet operation throughout the wash cycle. Known for exceptional build quality, the TR7 stands out for its longevity and dependable performance. This washer is ideal for households that prioritize reliability, precision, and fabric care, offering professional-level washing results backed by Speed Queen's trusted reputation. Number 3. Whirlpool Top-Load Washer with 2-in-1 Agitator. The Whirlpool Top-Load Washer with 2-in-1 Agitator offers versatile cleaning options to handle a wide variety of laundry loads. Its innovative removable agitator allows users to choose between traditional agitator action for tough stains or a low-profile impeller for bulky items like comforters and blankets. This adaptable design provides greater flexibility without compromising cleaning performance. Multiple wash cycles and load size settings ensure efficient water usage while delivering thorough results. Straightforward controls make operations simple and accessible for everyday use. Number 2. LG Agitator Smart Compatible Top-Load Washer. The LG Agitator Smart Compatible Top-Load Washer combines traditional agitator cleaning power with modern smart technology. Its advanced agitator design creates enhanced water movement, improving fabric contact for effective stain removal. Smart compatibility allows users to connect the washer to a mobile app for remote monitoring, cycle updates, and diagnostic assistance. Multiple wash cycles provide tailored care for everything from lightly soiled garments to bulky loads. Designed for energy efficiency, the washer helps reduce water and electricity usage while maintaining strong performance. A sleek exterior and intuitive digital controls enhance ease of use and modern appeal. Designed for connected homes, this LG washer delivers a balance of innovation, efficiency, and dependable cleaning power in a user-friendly top-load design. Number 1. Maytag Top-Load Agitator Washer. The Maytag Top-Load Agitator Washer is built for powerful, dependable cleaning and long-lasting durability. Featuring a robust agitator, it delivers strong wash action that effectively removes tough stains while remaining gentle on fabrics. The deep water wash option allows clothes to soak thoroughly, improving cleaning performance for heavily soiled loads. Engineered with heavy-duty motor and reinforced internal components, this washer is designed to withstand years of regular use. Its spacious drum easily accommodates large loads, reducing the number of wash cycles needed each week. Simple, intuitive controls make operation quick and hassle-free. Backed by Maytag's reputation for reliability, this washer is an ideal choice for households that value strength, simplicity, and consistent washing performance. If you found this helpful, please like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more valuable content.